I seen people get the Camping World credit card, the Good Sam Visa credit card. I was able to help somebody actually get a $3,000 credit card with them, and I am not able to get that pop up at this time, but there's other credit cards that's with Visa and Mastercard that you guys can be able to get. Now, I know I'm saying I'm not able at this time to get that Camping World pop up, but it could be the person's information that I'm using. I did not go through and see, hey, I was able to get the pop up for these 20 people. Let me try to see if I can get them the Camping World Visa card. I did not do that. Maybe I should do that to try to see if I'm able to still get that pop up. But usually, a lot of times, it's going to be the store credit cards that you're able to get that pop up with, like I said, the Children's Place, the Victoria's Secrets, the Express, and then that Loft. I was able to get that. I believe it's the All credit card. That is a Mastercard. So I want you guys to try to go to like my previous videos to try to see if you guys can just go down the list and see if you guys can get the pop up to work on those credit cards, because there's definitely credit cards out there that with Visa and Mastercard that you can get through the shopping cart trick.